Garden of Eden is rockin' Moroccan. Look at this tagine. When Ed and I went to Morocco, we were able to take this fabulous cooking class. And Ed came with me. He doesn't cook, but he came with me just so he could videotape the class so you could take it too. It is so fun, quick and easy, a wonderful way to eat and to serve people. So stay tuned for this entire way of how to make a tagine. It's fantastic.
Moroccan Chef, I'm gonna make the Berber vegetable tagine.
Okay, Berber.
Please take off the big knife.
Just slice it. Slice it? Dice? No. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're gonna try to build a round pyramid shape.
I see. Okay. Okay. Like that?
Yes, very good. It takes the shape of the tagine.
I see.
Please, we're gonna add. Look, 1 teaspoon of.
Nice garlic.
Yeah. More garlic.
Yeah.
More.
No, we're gonna take the apricots.
So far, this is super easy.
Pepper, salt, ginger, lemon, paprika, and chili.
And that's cinnamon, and that, but we're not using that. And what is that?
Sesame.
Kind of- oh, yeah.
Sweet savory dishes.
Yes. Okay. Ras al hanout. Okay. And this is cumin,
Half teaspoon cumin.
and that's
Salt,
salt.
to taste.
Yes.
You can add one.
Okay. And then this is ginger.
Half teaspoon ginger. One turmeric.
Oh wow. Okay. Okay.
Quarter pepper.
Okay.
You like it spicy? Or
I do. I like it spicy.
I'm gonna bring you some harissa.
All right. Oh, now I'm mixing. This is a mixture. I added a little salt, but I don't think we would really need to. So what we're going to do is steam all these vegetables, and then we added just a little oil and water, but I have a trick when I get home how not to add oil. And now we're adding a little harissa.
Yes, right.
This is very spicy, and I like it spicy. So I'm going to add just a quarter. Yes, that's good. Yes.
Bravo.
So my vegetable tagine is right here. It's steaming away right on a gas stove. And it's only going to be for, she said, about 25 to 30 minutes if I like the vegetables al dente. 45 minutes if I like them really, really cooked. I might go in between just for the heck of it. And then here's Ed's chicken tagine. It has all those wonderful spices. Look at the color. She said this will take 45 minutes to an hour to cook through. Let's see what happens in a little while. The vegetable tagine is ready because I wanted it a little al dente. So let's take a look. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, beautiful. Let's see. Perfect, perfect,
Good job, chef.
very perfect.
In Moroccan Arabic, we say inti hadga.
Tihedga.
You're a very good cook.
Oh, thank you. Tihedka. You're Tihedka.